What if I told you that the secret to becoming 37 times better at anything is not working harder? It's not waking up at 4 a.m. It's not grinding 16 hours a day. The secret is just 1%. One tiny, almost invisible improvement every single day. That's the core idea behind one of the most powerful books ever written on human behavior, Atomic Habits by James Clear. And today, I'm going to break it down for you in a way that will completely change how you look at your daily routine. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Chapter 1: The Power of Tiny Gains. Here's a question. If you got just 1% better at something every single day for a year, how much better would you be? Not 365% better. You'd be 37 times better. That's the magic of compounding, and it works for habits the same way it works for money. James Clear calls these small improvements atomic habits. Atomic because they are tiny, like atoms, almost invisible. But just like atoms make up everything in the universe, your tiny daily habits make up everything in your life. The problem is, most of us want big results fast. We want the transformation now. But here's what James Clear says: you don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Read that again. Your goals don't define your future, your systems do, your habits do. A goal is just a direction. A habit is the vehicle that gets you there. Chapter 2: Identity-Based Habits. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Most people try to change their habits by focusing on outcomes, like, I want to lose 10 kilos, or I want to read 12 books this year. But James Clear says that's backwards. The most powerful way to change a habit is to change your identity. Here's the difference. Someone offers you a cigarette. Person A says, "No thanks, I'm trying to quit." Person B says, "No thanks, I'm not a smoker." Same action, completely different identity. Person A is fighting their habit. Person B has become someone new. This is the shift from I want to run to I am a runner. From I want to read more to I am a reader. Every habit you build is a vote for the person you want to become. And when you cast enough votes, you become that person. So before you ask what you want to achieve, ask yourself who you want to become. Chapter 3: The 4 Laws of Behaviour Change. Okay, now we get to the framework that will actually help you build good habits and break bad ones. James Clear lays out 4 laws of behavior change. Every habit follows a loop: cue, craving, response, reward. And to build a good habit, you apply these 4 laws. Law 1: make it obvious. Your environment shapes your behavior more than your willpower ever will. If you want to read more, put the book on your pillow. If you want to drink more water, keep a bottle on your desk. And here's a powerful technique called habit stacking. Link your new habit to an existing one. After I pour my morning coffee, I will meditate for 2 minutes. See the formula? After current habit, I will new habit. Simple, effective, unstoppable. Law 2: make it attractive. We do things that feel good. That's just human nature. James Clear says pair a habit you need to do with something you want to do. Only listen to your favorite playlist when you work out. Only watch your favorite show while you fold laundry. This is called temptation bundling. You make the habit irresistible. Law 3: make it easy. Here's a brutal truth. Motivation is temporary, systems are permanent. The 2-minute rule. Any new habit should take less than 2 minutes to start. Want to exercise daily? Just put on your workout clothes. That's it. Want to journal? Just open the notebook and write 1 sentence. The goal isn't to do the habit perfectly. The goal is to show up, because showing up is the hardest part. And once you show up, momentum takes over. Law 4: make it satisfying. The human brain remembers what feels good. If a habit feels rewarding, you'll repeat it. Track your habits. Use a simple calendar. Put an X on every day you do it. Don't break the chain. And even when you miss a day, remember this rule: never miss twice. One bad day is a mistake. 2 bad days is the start of a new bad habit. Chapter 4: Breaking Bad Habits. Now, what about the habits you want to break? You simply reverse the 4 laws. Make it invisible. Remove the cue. Delete the app. Don't keep junk food in the house. Make it unattractive. Reframe how you see it. Instead of "I can't have this," say "I don't do this." Ownership is power. Make it difficult. Add friction. Unplug the TV after every use. Put your phone in another room at night. Make it unsatisfying. Get an accountability partner. Tell someone your goal. When someone's watching, you don't want to fail. The environment you design is more powerful than the willpower you try to summon. Here's what I want you to take away from this. You are not your big moments. You are not your best days or your worst days. You are the sum of what you do every single day. The small choices, the boring routines, the habits that nobody sees. That is what builds a life. James Clear said it best: every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. So, what are you voting for today? Start small, stay consistent, trust the process. Because success isn't a destination, it's a direction, and your habits are the compass. If this video gave you even one idea that could change your life, share it with someone who needs it. Hit that like button, subscribe to InkWaani, and I'll see you in the next one.